Let's go over this MCAT biochem problem. Researchers used radio-labeled palmitate to track fatty acid metabolism, which outcome would most directly indicate impaired beta oxidation in knockout livers. So although this is a passage-based question, what we're looking for is an answer choice that's consistent with what would happen if we impair beta oxidation. So this type of question relating to pathways is really common, and if we ever impair a metabolic pathway, we either increase the amount of substrate, which in this case is palmitate. We'll increase palmitate, or we will decrease the amount of product. In this case, this is acetyl-CoA. We also know that acetyl-CoA in aerobic conditions will go to the TCA cycle. Now going through our answer choices, choice A says decrease malonyl-CoA and made in the rate-limiting step of fatty acid synthesis. So this answer choice is wrong because it's irrelevant. Choice B says increase acetyl-CoA, and this is going to be incorrect because, as we said before, if we impair a metabolic pathway, we will decrease the amount of products that it makes, which in this case is acetyl-CoA. So this is the opposite of what we would expect. Choice C says increase citrate, which is an intermediate of the TCA cycle that's made when acetyl-CoA combines with oxaloacetate. So because we have less acetyl-CoA, we'll also have less citrate. It says decrease CO2, and this one's a little tricky, but we kind of have to think in multiple steps. So because we have less acetyl-CoA, and acetyl-CoA goes to the TCA cycle, we'll decrease the overall flux of the TCA cycle, so we'll make less of whatever products that it makes. And so CO2 is one of the products of the TCA cycle, so because of that, it's one of the effects downstream that we'll see from decreased beta oxidation. And so for that reason, D is correct. And something that helped me understand these types of problems a lot better is asking our AI chat to sum up the net reactions of these metabolic pathways. We can clearly see all the substrates and the products, and we can organize in our head what would happen if we were to either activate or inhibit any pathway.